what happened to the business card. Gonna see if I could find the card right now in the box. I'll be right back.
You boys ain't from around here, are you? Where are you boys trying to head to? This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Now you boys best keep riding, you hear?
Hey, and hello, this is Cliff from Cliff's Barber Corral, and I received a package, and from the people watching my video, this one particular person, his name is Junior, from Valor Customs, text me and then call me that he has a package for me, and inside the package he's making me a custom clipper. So I'm going to open the package in front of you people, and I want to thank Junior from Custom Valor for sending this wonderful package. So let's open up inside, and you could go ahead and push below, and if you wish to send packages or creams, I'll be very happy to share on the YouTube video so other people can see it as well. Wow, okay, so there's a frame here and a picture, and it says Valor Customs, and this is the artwork that Junior does, and I tell you what, it's really beautiful, okay? And he instructed me that he's sending two pictures, one I should keep for me and one for Brandon, who takes the video. So we'll see what the other picture looks like, and here's a little envelope, and inside has some stickers and a business card, and we shall show you these here. Now the business card was instructed that it's going to send me a business card, but we shall find that. Okay. And here's the other picture that says Customs Valor. Very beautiful, very beautifully done. And this is the box with the clipper, evidently. Wow, this says Cliff on it. And on the side has a horse and the other horse is the same on the other side, and then this here will be the bottom. It says wanted. couple of guns. See? Hat, skeleton. Very cool. Very beautiful. I tell you what, this is just an heirloom. You know, I don't even know if I'd want to use it. It's such a beautiful piece of artwork. So anyway, if you want to contact Junior at Valor Customs, I'm going to get the card to show you. Maybe it fell in the box, but I'm definitely going to have that for you. And if you want to send things to Cliff's Barber Corral, I will gladly put it on the YouTube channel. And thank you. And if you wish to send any items here to Cliff's Barber Corral, I'll be very grateful to be able to share them and tell where they came from. And you just have to push below and subscribe, and Cliff's Barber Corral at gmail.com. And thank you very much, and have a blessed everything. And by the way, if you wish to purchase or have a design made custom, or you would like for him to custom design for your liking, just describe below, and he'll be very happy to get from you. And also he has a video there on YouTube, and it's also called Valor Customs. Let me show this one more time. Thank you again.